What if you could build your own cold drinks brand with your own can design, your own flavors, your own label, and compete in one of the biggest consumer markets in America? Not as a dream, not someday, right now, with 3 machines and less than $10,000. Americans spend over $210 billion on soft drinks every single year. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Red Bull, they've been dominating this market for decades. But here's the thing. The craft and boutique beverage revolution is happening right now, and small brands are carving out massive profits. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to get in on it.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down real business ideas you can actually start in the USA. Today, we're going deep on the canned cold drinks production business, and I want to walk you through the US market data, the 3 machines you need, what they do, and why this might be one of the smartest and most affordable manufacturing businesses you can start right now. Let's get into it.
First, let's talk about the size of this opportunity. The US soft drinks market generates a combined revenue of $210 billion in 2025. Yes, $210 billion. That includes at-home and out-of-home consumption across the country. And the beverage cans market specifically, that's sitting at $13.9 billion in 2025 and is projected to hit $21.1 billion by 2033, growing at a steady 5.4% every single year. The US accounts for 30.6% of the entire global beverage cans market, making it by far the world's #1 market for canned drinks.
Now, who are the big players dominating this space right now? Coca-Cola is the undisputed king, with the largest US market share. PepsiCo follows closely behind. Keurig Dr. Pepper, which owns Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, and Snapple, overtook Pepsi as the #2 US soda brand in 2023. Red Bull dominates the energy drink lane, and National Beverage Corporation rounds out the major players. These giants own the supermarket shelves, but here's the golden opportunity. Consumers are actively shifting toward local, craft, and boutique canned beverages. Small brands are winning because people want something different, something fresh, something they can connect with. And with the right machines, you can be that brand. Machine 1. Tin can making machine, which costs $5,000 only. This is the foundation of your whole operation. The tin can making machine produces the actual aluminum cans your beverages will go into. The production line is specifically designed for small batch manufacturers, so you don't need a massive factory. It produces 50 to 150 cans per minute, which is perfect for craft beverage producers, boutique brands, and specialty packagers. It handles 52 to 66 millimeter diameter cans with quick change tooling, meaning you can adjust and adapt fast. The whole system sits on a footprint of just 6 meters by 3 meters, smaller than most living rooms.
The modular design means as your business grows, you can expand the line without starting over. And with simple PLC controls, you don't need an engineering degree to operate it. It's energy efficient, low maintenance, and built for startups entering the market without massive overhead. Machine 2, aluminum can printing machine, which costs only $3,000. Once your cans are made, this machine is what makes them yours. The aluminum can printing machine puts your brand, your logo, your colors, and your design directly onto every single can. This is how you compete visually on the shelf. In a market where packaging is everything, where consumers make buying decisions in seconds, this machine gives you professional-grade, eye-catching cans that look like they belong right next to the big brands. Custom-printed cans are a major competitive advantage for small beverage businesses. You can create limited edition designs, seasonal packaging, or even white label cans for other local businesses. That's an entire additional revenue stream on its own. Machine 3, filling and sealing machine, which costs only $1,000. This is the machine that brings it all together, filling your cans with your beverage and sealing them shut perfectly every time. It uses atmospheric pressure filling,
a proven, reliable method that precisely fills each can to the right level. Once the can is in place, the filling nozzle opens automatically, fills the liquid, and stops the moment the right level is reached. Clean, accurate, consistent. The sealing side is just as impressive. Electromagnetic capping heads with a no bottle, no cap system, meaning the machine automatically stops if a can is missing, preventing waste and product loss. The entire construction is 304/316 food-grade stainless steel, hygienic, durable, and fully meeting US food safety standards. The sealing effect is stable and reliable, giving your cans a professional, airtight finish every time. Total investment for all three machines, just $21,500.
Let me break down exactly why this is such a smart move. Number one, the market demand is massive and growing. Americans consume billions of canned beverages every year. Aluminum dominates with over 96% of the beverage cans market, and it's growing thanks to sustainability trends and consumer preference for cans over plastic. Number two, craft beverages are a booming trend. Non-alcoholic craft sodas, flavored sparkling water, energy drinks, fruit drinks, consumers are actively seeking new brands. You're entering at the perfect time.
Number three, low startup cost, high scalability. Under $22,000 gets you a full production line. As demand grows, the modular design lets you scale up without replacing your entire setup. Number four, you control your brand, your flavors, your design, your pricing. No licensing fees, no middlemen. You build the brand equity from day one. Number five, multiple revenue streams. Sell your own beverages, white label cans for other brands. Supply local restaurants, gyms, hotels, and events. The customers are everywhere.
Let's talk money. A single can of craft soda retails for $2 to $4 at convenience stores and specialty shops. At 50 cans per minute, your machine produces 3,000 cans per hour. Even selling wholesale at just $1 per can, producing 5,000 cans a day, that's $5,000 in daily revenue at full capacity. Start small. Supply local stores, farmers markets, gyms, and restaurants. Build your brand. Add flavors, build distribution. Small craft beverage brands in the US regularly generate $10,000 to $50,000 per month once they establish local distribution. And the ones that scale to regional distribution can pull in well over $500,000 annually.
The beverage industry rewards strong branding and consistency, both of which your production line delivers. Here's your simple action plan. Step one, invest in all three machines. Total cost, $10,000. This is your complete production line. Step two, develop your drink recipe, a signature flavor that stands out. Fruity, sparkling, energy, or health-focused are all strong segments right now. Step three, design your can label and brand identity. This is what sells your product before anyone even tastes it. Step four, get your food production licenses and comply with local health regulations. A food safety attorney or consultant can help you fast-track this. Step five, start with local distribution. Convenience stores, gyms, food trucks, restaurants, and events. Then expand online and regionally. $200 billion. That's what Americans spend on cold drinks every year. The big brands have their share, but the craft and small batch revolution means there has never been a better time to launch your brand.
Under $10,000, three machines, one big opportunity. Before you go, do me a quick favor. Tap like, subscribe for more profitable business ideas every week, and comment your dream drink flavor below. I read every comment. Let's keep building and growing together. Fuel your growth